In this video, I will show you how to remove music in InShot. First things first, open up the InShot app on your device. If you haven't already done so, make sure to select the project you want to work on. Once inside your project, look for the audio option at the bottom of the screen. After tapping on audio, you'll see a list of audio layers that have been added to your project. This includes any background music or sound effects you've previously incorporated. To proceed with removing music, tap directly on the specific audio layer that you wish to delete. With the desired audio layer selected, it's time to remove it. You'll need to swipe these options over to the left side of your screen. Among these options, locate and tap on Delete. This will instantly remove the selected music from your project. Now that you've deleted the unwanted music track, it's essential to save those changes before moving forward. Tap on this checkmark to confirm and save all modifications made during this session. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.